Hi everyone, we're back with another tutorial. Today we're going to discuss the importance of high-quality designs for your products and how to ensure your prints turn out exactly how you intend. This is crucial for having successful, good quality merchandise and happy customers. We'll outline the differences between vector graphics and pixel graphics, as well as how to know what your final print will look like based on what you see on your screen. So first off, vector versus pixel graphics. These are the two different ways you can create your designs to be uploaded to Spreadshop. Pixel graphics consist of a combination of individual color points, or pixels. The smaller the pixels, the more detailed and sharper the design will turn out. Lower resolution designs will result in visible pixels. A vector design, on the other hand, is not made up of pixels, but with geometric shapes that are rendered as mathematical formulas. This means they can be scaled without losing their quality and remain sharp at any size. For pixel graphics, which are used for digital printing, laser transfer, and thermal sublimation, there are certain requirements that need to be followed to ensure a perfectly printed result. Firstly, the resolution of the file should be at least 1000 pixels on the shorter side or 4000 pixels on the longer side. Always upload your graphics in RGB mode, as this is what our systems work with, and hence fewer color deviations will arise. Something crucial to keep in mind is that your design must not contain any transparency transitions. This is because our printers spray a white top coat on the product before printing on your design, which allows for bright, saturated colors. Lastly, when considering file formats, we recommend PNG for files without a background and JPEG for files that have a background. Vector graphics, used for flex and flock printing, have their own requirements for optimization. The resolution should be a minimum of 10 by 10 centimeters to a maximum of 38 by 38 centimeters, with a maximum of 3 different colors created separately on one layer. A good way to check whether your lines are within the required dimensions is by making a circle that fits those dimensions. You can then use this circle as a reference point to ensure all the lines in your design are not too small. The same applies to any text. Use the circle to check, ensuring all vectors within your text outline are closed. As with pixel graphics, use RGB mode to have fewer color deviations. The good thing about vector graphics is that the color can be changed even after uploading it to the partner area. When exporting your vector design, save it as an SVG or AI file. Now we need to look at the differences between what you see on your monitor when you're creating your design and what the design will actually look like once it's printed. The colours can often appear brighter on your screen than on a printed product, so it's important to consider this when creating your designs. A handy tip is to make your design brighter by increasing the brightness, contrast, and saturation of your design to the point where it almost looks too bright on your screen. This will result in a print that maintains its colourful appearance. Also, keep in mind the colour of the fabric you're going to be printing on, as this can also affect how the final design will look. Of course, it's always a good idea to order a sample of your product to see how it looks when it's printed. Be sure to use these tips the next time you're working on a design, and you're all set to optimize your designs for the highest quality product outcomes. Remembering the different requirements for each graphic type, such as the resolution size, using RGB mode, and the color differences between your screen and the final product, will make a great difference to your creation processes. We hope this video was useful for you. Please give it a like and a comment if it was, and share this with anyone else who would benefit from these tips.